Hi guys, Paulo here. So this is just a quick update on Builderall. There's been confusions around on when the price increase will take effect and the official launch date. Builderall is currently being updated to Builderall 3.0, which is what we call it internally or for affiliates. And just to confirm, the price increase will take effect on July 3rd. Okay? No other dates. It's not midnight of June 30th or any other dates that you may have been hearing around. Again, just to confirm, the price increase will take effect on July 3rd and the official launch date is on July 4th. Now, I haven't been doing videos for the past weeks. As I said on my previous video, that I've been conducting interviews because I'm hiring VAs for some of my new campaigns that I just opened up, and I'll start doing videos probably most likely by next week. Okay, so the videos will contain all the information you need to know on Builderall 3.0. Okay, so if you want to learn more or you want to know more of Builderall's everything about Builderall 3.0, be sure to subscribe and tick the bell to be notified when the new video comes up. Okay, I'll be making lots of videos. There's been plenty of updates. Everything is great, everything is awesome. Okay, I'm enjoying it. I love using Builderall, and like I said, there's no need for to use any other platform. Some people may be complaining about the email marketing form, but then again, when I check on their issues, it's actually not the platform, but it's how they set it up. Okay, so it's a user error. Okay, so that's as per my experience. That's how I see it. And again, I will be sharing everything you need to know about Builderall 3.0. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video. I hope this video helps uh, the confusions out there on when the price increase will take effect and the official launch date. But then again, for me personally, I just want to share that the $49.90 business plan is going up to $69.90. But then again, for me, as an entrepreneur or digital marketer, it is still more than worth it. Okay, why? I will explain that further on the next videos I'll be making. Okay, so that's about it for now. I'm still on a trip right now, so I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.